to detox, reset, restart, and clean our colon. Let's go! Hi, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cleanse. Yes, we had a long weekend. Some of us indulge more than others. Yes, I know. And if you, okay, it's okay. It's okay. Let's just stay calm and reset and restart. So what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to show you how to cleanse your colon. You're welcome. But before I get started, I want to let you guys know, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Why are you not subscribed to the channel? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget that notification. And that's how you're going to get your notifications whenever I do a new video. So, like I said, in today's video, we're going to cleanse, we're going to detox, we're going to lose weight. Now, this particular drink, I always wanted to do that. So we're going to detox, we're going to cleanse, we're going to feel good about ourselves. Okay, so we ate a little bit too much this weekend, right? So what? Okay, we're going to start over, we're going to reset, we're going to restart, and we're going to do this together. So what I've put together is this delicious cleanse for you. Now, don't start saying to me, I'm picking it up, hey, Maxine, is it sweet? No, it's not. It's a cleanse, guys. It's packed full of vitamins, mineral, antioxidants. And that's going to help to clean your colon. You're going to detox. You're going to refresh. Now, you're going to drink this throughout the day. This is how I detox. This is how I cleanse. I drink this for the entire day. I clean my colon. It helps you to concentrate. It helps you to detox. And it helps you to kickstart your weight loss. Now, I am hoping that you guys already kickstart your weight loss and somehow you fell off the tracks a little bit and you just want to get back on right now. Right? Because January 1st was a long way from here. And remember that New Year's resolution? Okay, I don't want to talk too much, but like I said, this is delicious. It's refreshing. And no, it is not sweet. You taste the ginger. You taste the lemon juice. It tastes so delicious. You don't taste the lettuce. That I don't taste. I really don't taste it. But you do taste the ginger and you do taste the lemon, and that's what I love about it. That's what makes it so refreshing and delicious. And once again, we want to detox, we want to reset entire day. You're gonna love this. It's delicious. This is how I reset and restart if I had a weekend where a little bit eating certain things that I'm not supposed to eat, a lot of the processed food, a lot of stuff that we know are not good for us, refined sugars, stuff like that. So we're gonna reset, we're gonna restart, we're gonna jumpstart, we're gonna do this. Hey, by the way, guys, I want to put together a 21-day weight loss program. If you're interested, I do have a survey in the description box, so go ahead and fill that out and we can get started on that as soon as possible, right? So let's get into this recipe. Let's see how easy it is to detox, lose weight, restart, reset. Let's go. Maxine's Corner. I love you because... Okay. All right, so let's go make this. Come on, let's go. So the first thing I'm adding is a cup of lettuce, right? And what I love about lettuce, you guys, is that lettuce is packed full of folate, vitamins, and iron, beta carotene. I'm also adding the juice of 1 lemon. If you have lime, you can use that also. I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of ginger. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. And what I love about this powder is that it's pretty much, it is green tea, but it's a strong version of the green tea that we all love, right? And it's packed full of vitamins. It's great for you. Pineapple, 1 cup of pineapple. And this is just going to give it that sweet little taste so that you won't taste the lettuce. And you won't taste the ginger too much. All right, so 1 cup of pineapple. We're cleansing our colon. Yes, we are. I'm gonna add a cup of ice. Just 1 cup of ice to that. And like I said, I'm gonna drink it right now in 1 cup of water. I think it's about a cup. and it's time to get our colon clean and get back on point. You fall off the tracks, you get back on. So let's get going. Yummy. Yes, we have to cleanse, we have to lose weight, and we have to restart and reset, right? That's what we're trying to do. Look at that. Look at that. It's time to cleanse, restart, and lose some weight. Yes, baby. I love my green juice. How about you? Do you love your green juice? Guys, once again, don't forget to check out our weight loss support group. There's a link in the description box. It is free. Every Friday, I have Ask a Nutritionist Day. And you guys can ask any questions that you want. And you can also ask any questions in the comment section down below. And I will answer it. And if you have a comment, anything, a particular meal you want me to make, go ahead and do that. I'm going to go and enjoy this deliciousness right now. That's it. Yes, it's easy, it's simple, it's absolutely delicious. Check out some of these other videos as well, because I have great detox and weight loss juice. I do not call them smoothie, so don't you dare call this a smoothie, okay? Because it's not a smoothie. It's not. Okay. All right. So here it is. I've been drinking it. Yes. I started drinking it because, like I said, I want to reset, restart, and recharge. All right, guys. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you have an idea of something you want me to make, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I will definitely do my best to make it for you. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And what? Say it. Stay healthy.